In other local news, the third edition of Aruba in Style is just 2 weeks away. Since this year's event is just a few months away from the island's grand 60th Carnival celebration, organizers have decided to integrate the fashion event with Carnival, showing off to international press members, ultimately gaining more exposure. Ava Waver from Aruba in Style says international events like AIS brings over international media. There is no better time to show off how Aruba does Carnival. AIS will combine local fashion lines and Carnival together for the press.
You know, Yentl, next year is Aruba's 60th Carnival celebration, something very big for us. And, you know, Arubianas does also present resort wear. And we are presenting a collection in honor of the Carnival of Aruba, being that we have more than 45 international press where you can expose and promote this Carnival celebration.
Carnival's official magazine, Bacchanal, will unveil its big cover at Aruba in Style's event.
In that order, we came up to think about Bacchanal, which, you know, is the magazine, official magazine of Aruba's Carnival. And we invited them to do their cover launching for the 60th Diamond Carnival celebration. They have accepted.
The island will gain international media exposure on its Diamond Carnival celebration at the Aruba in Style event, when press members get a taste of how the people of Aruba celebrates their carnival.
And we are throwing a party together after the unveiling, which will go together with the Arubianas Resort fashion presentation at the Westing. We will have a carnival after party at our official club, which is the Confessions nightclub. There we will have the official carnival after party with costumes and all that goes together with the carnival celebration for the international press that is already here in November to see how big and how fabulous Aruba celebrates the carnival.
For more information on AIS, go to arubainstyle.com.